Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. So in my channel, you already have seen a lot of videos which I have created from total scratch, right? And using AI tool. I do not code directly, but I use AI to code for myself. And that's where this course comes into the picture. So we have launched a future-proof AI automation bootcamp at your own platform where you can go directly, you can check and you can see it. We are going to tell you a lot of things that I'm doing on a daily basis. Okay, so right now if I'll take you out throughout the syllabus, you can see automation thinking, how businesses actually works. Okay, so instead of going directly into tool, all those things, of course we'll learn those things as well, but the best part, I'll show you how businesses think, how we can plan, how we can get a like anything, and then we can convert into outcomes. Okay, that's the main focus of this particular course. Along with that, you can see design system, not workflows. AI as your system designer, AI first deployment and context system, AI assisted system design and prototyping. How we can do that, because every single time we need to create something. So how we can do that using again AI, and we are not going to waste a lot of time there. Just within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we'll be able to create best out of kind of automation system that you can think of. And along with that, that no code automation mastery, multi-channel communications automation, database CRM, like how you can connect with different databases. Okay, whether it is a SQL, Postgres, MongoDB, any database you want, SQL, no SQL, we'll going to see. And that too again with the help of no code low code tool. You do not need to get confused a lot how to do that. So yeah, we are going to learn about that as well. Along with that, AI powered automation system, AI decisions, self-contracting workflows, routing, everything, RAG system and AI knowledge base. That we too will do with the help of AI. Okay, goal-driven AI agents and voice systems. And not only this, we have n number of modules that I have covered over here. So after this, you do not need any more videos at least to go with tools or something. You can create anything, and the future will grow again and again and again with new tools, with new upgraded models. You will able to apply all these system design kind of thing, the mentality, the kind of thought level you will able to apply no matter which tools comes. Because with the help of same method, I created so many projects, and I'm creating, I'm deploying and working with client as well. All right, that I'll show you. I'll upload more and more videos in my channel, so you will get an idea ki, okay, how things works. Along with that, cost optimizations. And because this is also one of the important thing, you can create anything, but what about costs? So, like just 2 weeks ago I used cloudbot, and that I ended up almost $100 cloud credits. So we need to understand ki where we need to, how we can optimize at better cost with better speed. So that was what we are also going to learn. Industry playbook. Okay, automation that sells, e-commerce, D2C, retail, anywhere we can do that. Service businesses, real estate, healthcare, beyond. Build your AI powered full stack, capstone, backend, AI, brain, memory, agentic core, everything. And the best part, there is no prerequisite you need to know LangChain, Python, or anything. We'll learn everything, we'll do everything wherever needed, but without any separate learning, dedicated learning. And we'll code also, but with the help of AI. Fine. And then front end, dashboard, chat and operator control center. No more kind of workflows only. Workflows will work in backend. We'll create front end properly, so we can tweak whatever we wanted anytime. Deployment, policy and client customizations. The best part here, what we are going to, and here what I am going to tell you, because I myself am selling these solutions. Along with that, working with my company as well, where I have introduced all these solutions. These all are solutions are working fine. And if this works in one industry, two industry, you can make it anywhere. So I'm going to tell you that how you can use these kind of learning for your career building, client getting clients, building businesses, positioning yourself, your portfolio, your personal brand, anything you can do that with the help of this. Okay, then getting clients, closing deals, scaling. How companies buy automations, they buy outcomes and peace of mind, not tool or hours, right? And I'm doing it in a real time, so I'll be the best person who will able to show you how these things works. Okay, and if I'll show you here the real agentic system that I have created, Angelina, okay, which works in a real time properly, everything, all the tasks and everything, you can talk to it, you can do whatever you want. So I'll upload more and more videos about it. Along with that, if you wanted to check in a real time what AI actually looks like, how you can build a real system, so this is an example. Quotahit.com, this is something I have created as a sales intelligence, your AI sales coach, practice, coach and close. Just you can click, just sign in, test here also your AI call as well. You can click and you can test and try, okay, how in a real time actually calls comes. All right, and then you can sign in, and you will able to see after signing, this is a proper working dashboard, which with the help of that you can practice, with the help of that like you can do anything whatever you want in a real time. Let me show you. Hey, hi.
Hey, this is Sarah. What can I do for you?
Okay, fine. Thank you. So that's how we can do practice with this. Along with that, if you wanted to test and try these kind of things also, like, hey, it's too expensive, just get a coaching and you will able to see this is going to give you a response. And every backend front end that is being created with the help of AI only. And wherever needed, we are using automations also. So you can see this is a proper response. All right. And here you will able to see here I added CRM as well. So if anyone is going to fill a form, that lead is going to appear over here with the help of n8n. So in backend also for automation we have used different kind of framework, not only n8n. That's what I wanted to show you guys, ki there are lot more possibilities and these things can be done just within a week, not month, not years, within a week. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you are going to love it. And before that also I have completed already one major class over here that was also live, full stack automation bootcamp. So if you wanted to join that too, everything is recorded already. You can see how workflows is being created, how things is being managed, right? This already completed. And now this was started in November. Now this batch we are going to start from 8th of March 2026. So yeah, time is there, just go enroll. And if you are a your own family, like if you have taken already Huron Plus, in that case we have so many live batches that you need in 2026. This is all you need. You do not need to pay lakhs of to any company, any institute, anyone. Okay, here we are going to give you everything you need to build, to deploy, everything. And I did it myself. If you go it and check my profile, I'm just from total no code background, and I'm able to do end-to-end deployment with the help of AI, that too in very very less time, and working product. Fine, guys. So let's connect in the class. Enroll. Let me know, and we create WhatsApp group as well. So once you click over here you will able to see, once you buy the course, then you will able to see key, okay, there is WhatsApp group which you can directly jump. So let me show you as well. Once you log in, and here you will able to see, you can click over here, just come, and we have proper community, more than like so many people are there in communities. With the help of them you can learn all these things. You can see chat WhatsApp group, just click join and you will see, okay, how things is being happening. All right, I hope so this video is going to help you a lot, and I'll be waiting you there in the live class where we will be discussing everything one to one. I'll be teaching, of course, for an entire 2 hours, 3 hours, no matter how much time will take. But yes, we are going to you are going to learn a lot, and we're going to discuss a lot more thing, your doubt, everything, whatever you can imagine. Fine, let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Let's learn AI in new way. Okay, and after it you do not need anything. Thank you for watching.